Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayo and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful fabric flower. Stay tuned. So let's begin. Cut your fabrics into 4 inches square. You will need 10 of this. Now fold the 4-inch fabrics into single petals. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Now it's time to string them together to form a rose or a flower. Cut your fabric into 2-inch squares. You will need 10 of this. Fold the 2-inch fabrics into single petals. Now it's time to string them together to form a rose or a flower. Now that is complete, it's time to assemble. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.